We ride into town at the break of dawn, and we find all the fuckers who do you wrong. We'll round them up, and when the sun goes down, gather around and watch them hang in the middle of town. The war is on, and you're gonna lose, and we're gonna make an example of you. We'll make you eat the seeds you've sown. So run, motherfucker, the witch hunt's on. The shitters of the world are the ones who steal. They lie to you and cheat you and pillage and kill. They stab you in the back and they molest and rape, and we're here to set your fucking sick ass straight. So to hell with all who don't deserve a life. Death to the shitters of the world tonight.